Happy Thursday, everyone. It is the 15th of April, 2021, taking a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum has made a new all-time high, looking like we're forming up to make a new all-time high close. And it's crossed above that $2,500 value area. It's very bullish. I mean, the altcoin market in general is going like gangbusters. I mean, I mean, I don't want to get too far away from just Ethereum chat here, but I mean, yeah, total market cap hit $1 trillion. The total altcoin market cap has hit $1 trillion, and the total market cap for all cryptos is at 2.2 trillion. Pretty phenomenal rise. But a lot of people maybe look at this and go, danger zone, because is it going to keep going up? Are we likely to see a pullback? This is getting into a couple reversal zones that I talked about. I don't remember how long ago it was I did these, but there are a few reversal zones up here because we have a deep crab and a crab pattern, which are powerful harmonic patterns. So watch out for these. But if we get past 2,600, more than likely we'll just keep going higher. And it's really easy to look at the daily chart and say, oh, it's overbought, it's going to sell off because the RSI is above 70. We don't do that anymore. The RSI, how we interpret it now, is dependent upon whether the instrument is in a trend or not. And depending on the direction of that trend, the values change. So the overbought conditions in the RSI when something's in a bull market are 80 and 90. And the oversold conditions are 55 and 65. All right. So we're technically in the middle. We are technically neutral here. We haven't, we're getting close to the first overbought condition. But really, I think you're going to see Ethereum probably tag up to the high 80s, mid 90s before you see a really too high of a valuation. And then take a look at the weekly chart here. The weekly chart is also the same thing. We've got the RSI at 77. It's not overbought yet. It's still in neutral territory. But then look what's happening down here on the composite index. Okay. The composite index has crossed above the fast moving average, and it's approaching the slow moving average and likely to cross above that too. What this says to me is that there's still a lot of upside momentum here for Ethereum. So don't count on it pulling back anytime soon. In fact, the max mean percentage wise for Ethereum from the Kijun Sen, it can still move up higher. We still not a lot of data on Ethereum. Its timeline is still really short. Be nice when we can get around a little over a decade's worth of data, but we have what we can work with. Ethereum can technically still move a lot higher away from the Kijun Sen on the weekly chart before we would see it kind of stall out. But according to the technicals here on the RSI and the composite index, there's another big drive up that could occur here. So be careful of that. There is some resistance, though, right over here in the composite index. This trend line, if we get halted up against that trend line, then we might see it fall down. But otherwise, still likely to move higher. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.